Jay, looks like it's been defeated. Huh? What the? He's still up? I think we need to retrieve it. Retrieve it, everybody! Get back to the village! Looks like the Lizardman's gonna attack us. Oh no! Boxer, we gotta run! Come on! What are we running about again? Oh yeah, the boss monster we didn't do, right? Come on, faster, faster! Oh no. I feel a kind of failure, aren't I? We all failed because there's no way we can defeat that King Goblin and Lizardman. No, we didn't do it. We didn't defeat it because he was getting up and then he's too strong. Yeah, I wonder what we should do next. Let's forget about it. I'm going on vacation. You're going on vacation? What happened to Lizard Man gets you? I don't care. I don't care what the Lizard Man is going to get me. Well, see ya. But. No buts. I'm going to that city anyway. She left. The poor thing. I'll never get my vending machine back. It's okay. I feel like there's something that you never do to me. Well, if Lammis is going, then everyone gets a fail. If everyone gets a fail, then everyone's gonna go on vacation. Well, except for me and us. Well, if that's Lammis is going to go by alone, she'll be nothing to do. Foxo, will you be okay? Congratulations! Good. Do you want something? Do you want something, Boxo? Do you want to get washed again? Congratulations! Okay. We'll just go to another place where you have fast. Okay? Congratulations! Okay, that's good. Well, I've been to Lammis and then she'll never get to defeat that boss again. That's pretty much of a failure.